Hello, Lucille from Club Artist Heaven. I hope you guys are well. I hope that you had a good week, a productive week in your creative business, and your weekend goes better. For me, it's been tough. It's been long, it's been draining, and I'm actually just taking some downtime today because I need it. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, welcome to Club Artistry. I'm sorry, I think I first need to show you my view. So if you see me going, like looking to my left, then it's because of this. Let me show you guys. So I took some off time today and I decided to come and work, well, work in inverted commas, um, from the ocean side. So we are very fortunate to be from this part of the world. Yeah, so I just needed to break away today from the usual hustle and bustle, and I decided to get out of the house, shoot some videos, and yeah, just like sort of check in with you guys. So enough rambling. Today we are shooting, or I'm shooting a video tutorial on the new upgraded mockup feature in Canva. So let me make my face a bit smaller. This video is brought about due to a friend of mine, Tammy Gibbs. She has her own Facebook group called Design It with Tammy Gibbs, and anything you need to know about clip art, digital designs, any support that you need, especially with the Artistry AI creator, which I would link the details in the description of my. So that's what they do. So they speak about Artistly and all the features within Artistly and any support that you need. Tammy is your go-to person. This video is also brought about due to Liana Moore. So shout out to Liana Moore today. One of the posts of mine in Tammy's group, which was about brushstroke PNG t-shirt designs, which is very, very trendy. I've got like 2 or 3 videos up on YouTube. So if you want to see how I design my own brushstroke PNG designs, please go have a look all my videos. And Liani were asked me, hi Lucille, irrelevant to this theme, but wondering if you know anything about about the Canva mockup generator. I've watched a few videos and you seem to be a bit of an expert on Canva. Firstly, thank you. Very kind of you. And I promised Liani that I will create the video. So I had some problems with it first, but I sorted it out. So without further yapping, I am going to go straight into the video. Okay, let's go to Canva. Here we go. So you create your design. We'll just start one from scratch. So we'll go custom size. I just use 2000 pixel by 2000 pixel because that's what the ratio is that I use for Etsy. Okay, so basically, let's say you with the new upgrade, I think everybody should know how the mockup feature works without the addition or added or upgrade. So if you go to apps and you type in mockup, it would be the first one that pops up. So this is the one that I'm using. Okay. In the past, what very helpful to have used even the mockup feature without the upgrade. Okay. So when you click on mockup, this wasn't here before. So this is the addition, and you'll see it says create a mockup template custom. Okay. So in the past, what we used to do is we would take a mockup image. This is almost like a PSD type of mockup, right? It's not the ones where you have an image of a mug and now you just layer on top your clip art image on top of the mug. It's slightly different. So before I show you the upgrade, let me show you how it used to be before. You would then go to your images. So let's say I'm just going to use this one, and then you click on it or you drag it on top of it will fit this area, okay, the mockup area. That in itself was already amazing, in my opinion. So Look how nice that looks. The only reason I couldn't use this image because I wanted to use it for Tumblr app. I created it yesterday. The problem with it was, um, gosh, I don't know. I need to click so many times to get something done. What's happening? So that's what it does. You guys have seen what I've done, right? Let me redo it again. Okay, so that's your image, and you basically just drop it um, on the mug, and it fits it properly. You can click on it, you can edit it, and you can adjust it. So if you want it maybe like this way, or you want it this way, depending on where the main element is. If you want to make it bigger, zoom in a bit, zoom out. So that's all available to you. If you just want to fit it perfectly, then you can, that's also available to you. You apply your changes and it will adjust it over here. Okay, so this was pre-upgrade. Now, why did Liani ask me to make another video? Because custom feature works as follows. So you go to your canvas, get your image first. Now, also, your image is very important. So as you know, Canva gives us photos, right? Let's go t-shirt, mockup, helicopter. So you'll notice that with all the crowns, it means it's pro. So if you're on a free account, then it won't apply to you. So I'll show you here. This is a free one. These are pro ones, right? So let's say you want to use this image. Let's say you want to customize this as your mockup image. Remember, it's pro, right? It's important that you get this because you'll think there's something wrong with your custom mockup, and then there's nothing wrong with it. It's just, yeah. So let's say you want to custom mockup. You've seen now, once I clicked on it, it changes the image here. So it's telling you it's going to customize this image as a customized mockup, right? But it's pro. So let's say you click on it. It will tell you Canva Teams images cannot be used to create mockups. Please try another image, another photo. The point here is that you can't use Canvas Pro images. So if you go back to photos, if you go back to photos, back to t-shirts, got a free one here. And let's try it again. Okay. You'll see now it's doing its whole AI thing. So it takes a minute or so. It will give you 4 options. Usually 4. I don't know why it's given 2, but anyway. So you can see here what it's done. You have 2 options. So depending on which option you choose here, it will change this image, okay? This is the effect that I want. I want to mock up the whole image, right? But if you maybe want to keep the black t-shirt and just have a background as a mock-up, you can also do that. So we'll click with what we want. So we'll confirm. We'll click on that one, confirm, and it will transform it into the mock-up of choice. It gives 4 usually. I don't know why it's given 2 now, but nonetheless, guys, I've got I sell on Etsy, but about a month and a bit ago, I started my own website to sell my digital products privately. Etsy is very competitive. It's a great place to start, but you soon discover that if you don't invest in traffic, you're at the mercy and the grace of the algorithm. I just saw an email. I'm sorry, off topic. I just saw an email that came through now, and somebody, oh my word, and I'm gonna email her shortly afterwards. She bought like 6 of my products on my website, and I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. The website is new. I don't know what to say. I'm just so grateful. Sorry, slightly off topic, but yeah. Okay, so that's the image. So now it's transformed into a template, a mockup, which you can use over and over and over again. But we're not done. Sorry. We need to now put our design into the template, right? So you go to your designs, whatever it is. I designed this yesterday. I'm in this whole brush stroke mode. Halloween. I'm busy with Christmas now. And I know I'm supposed to get busy with Easter, but I'm just not in the mood. So you click on your image, just like we did with the mug earlier. In the mockup section, where Canva gives you like pre-populated options of templates for mockups, um, whether it is a mug, a invitation, a notebook, etc. You can now go and create your own custom mugs. Okay, so custom mockups. So that's my image. Now I drop it, just like I did with the mug. I drop it onto the image, and then it will fill that whole t-shirt design with your image. I don't know what it's going to look like, but the purpose is just to show you the practicality of mockup, customized mockups. I'm not working from home today, so I think the internet might be slower. It's doing its thing here, but it normally doesn't take this long. So just keep that in mind. Word. That looks amazing. Ta-da! Customized mockups for you. Compliments of Canva. Okay, so I think that looks amazing. Another way, what you can do, so remember the pro images that's in Canva's vault, is the system told us earlier that we can't use it. You can use free ones. This is a free one, right? There's another way. If you're anything like me, I love making my own mockups. I love making my own mockups. I know people tend to buy them from Creative Fabrica or Placeit or um, Etsy itself. Nothing wrong with that. I love making my own. So we will go and take this one. This is my own image generated in Midjourney. So it's not not a Canva one, it's my own one. And we will now do the same with your own image. So what I'm trying to explain to you is that you can use your own images that you've made and mock them up in Canva's mockup. Um, So while we're at it, I just wanted to quickly show you guys my monthly membership. It's called AI Prompt Heaven, $9 a month, cancel anytime. What is it? It's a vault with a growing number of images in the membership. So if you sign up, you get immediate access to all the prompts that is currently in there. I do clip art, I do Tumblr reps, I do wall art. It's now at there's a lot more on the side here. You've got junk journals, we've got pillow sublimation designs, we've got mock-up images, which is why I wanted to bring you to AI Prompt Event, just so that you can see where my mock-up images are. Okay, so this is the updated version. So this is where I started in December. I had about three main modules with sub-modules, clipboard bundles, animals, food and drinks, celebrations and holidays, and then Tumblr apps and wall art. So I started with those, but we are now at all of these clip art bundles, Tumblr apps, mug apps, junk journals, wall art, t-shirt designs, etc. The reason I wanted to speak about mock-up images is because I've recently updated the vault with mock-up images, which is used by Etsy sellers to promote their products, whether it is wall art frames, mug mock-ups, invitation cards, apparel, clothing, t-shirts, hoodies, etc., etc. So if you want to save yourself some time and just grab a prompt, copy it into your software of choice, and then generate your own images. Again, I apologize, the internet is very slow. It's not my usual spot, but I can see there's a massive difference in terms of my speed at home and the speed here. While we're waiting, I'll come back. So this is my own image. We go back to apps, we go to mockup, and we click on create mockup templates. So now we templarizing it and we are customizing it. Big words. We're templarizing it so that it's your template, and you can change the you can use the template for different designs. I'm actually quite amazed with, again, sorry, just for the sake of the fact that the internet's so slow. I'm really amazed with this. I'm going to just download it and start sharing it around. I love it. I'm going to make a product. I've got it up as a draft in my Etsy, so it will be published as a Tumblr app, but I'm going to use this as a t-shirt design as well. So again, everything is like on slow-mo. Giving us an error, I don't know why, because it's still running. I don't know what's the problem. Yeah, it's my day of calmness, so we're not gonna stress. Let's try this one. It's still doing its thing, yeah. So I've tried a couple of things. I don't know. I'm gonna try this at home again, but I think you've got the idea. Yeah, you are definitely able to use your own images as a but I'm not able to demonstrate that right now for some reason. I don't know, it's the internet. So I'm going to leave it here. Before we go, I just wanted to, hopefully it's downloaded this side as well. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you quickly in terms of why I spoke about the mockups, because we've got a section, mockup images in the monthly membership. Okay, so just to quickly demonstrate before the internet goes all wonky again, um, as you get enter or as you log onto your into your account, you will, depending on where you go, I'm just going to demonstrate with wall art. You get a preview of what's to come, so I give you some of what's at the bottom. That's what it looks like. And then at the bottom, the library itself, I give you the image on the right and then the prompt details on the left. So the title that I would typically use to list on Etsy, I tell you when I created the design. That way you can see how regularly I update the membership. My promise is to at least weekly update it. Sometimes I do it daily, sometimes I do more than one a day, but definitely in a weekly cycle, you will have fresh new prompts, content, etc. If you are in the Facebook group and in the private chat, that's where I collect all the requests or suggestions from members that they want to see a particular design. Maybe it's faith-based, maybe it's a clip art-based, maybe it's something in Tumblr or etc. So that's where I get my inspiration from. I also tell you what is the journey, what is the software that I've used to create it, because I use 4 different platforms. Midjourney is one, Dreamlab is another one. I use Kittle a lot for Tumblr apps, and then I use Ideogram for t-shirt designs, etc. So I will is the system that I'm using, and then also what type of style. In this case, it's realistic, because when we want realistic images. Then I give you the prompt exactly as I've used it. I give you details, so it's a realistic image. The color palette that I've used, in this case it's charcoal gray, black, soft lightning tones. I give you the focus element, blank black frames, you've got it over there. Symmetrical gallery wall, sleek black leather couches, all there. Give you the composition, the lighting, and then the intent of the design. I've also recently upgraded the membership with suggested tags, so not all of them have tags yet, and I use Insight Factory mostly for all my SEO keyword research. Okay, and then but some of them, as of February, I start adding the tags that I think you should use in your description for Etsy. So image on the right, prompt information and technical details on the left, and the vault is just growing. I've also added some training videos, so how I do certain things depending on what members are asking me, and then I've also added some freebies. So some of these freebies I am selling on my some of the freebies I am selling on Etsy and my website, but for my members who are part of the monthly membership, a lot of them I do just add here free, so that you don't have to pay for something that I will add value to in the membership. So sorry for the long video with all the tech issues and the internet. If there's any questions, please drop it in the comments. If there's any suggestions or whatever, happy to get in contact with you. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one.